Hi guys, Chris Webster here with Higher Standards Home Inspections. We're going to talk about radon again. Specifically, I want to talk about how we test for radon. Again, we're Higher Standards Home Inspections and we take our name very, very seriously, which means that we have the best radon, how do I say that? The best radon measurement device that I can find. This is superior to almost anybody else's because, and I deliberately went out and got a great one because we're testing your radon, right? We need to know what the situation is. So that means that this device, what makes it good is two primary things, right? Number one is it has 6 detectors in it as opposed to the single detector in almost every other device out there. 6 of them. Number two is it tests every 30 minutes. So the way that radon sampling or radon testing works is it samples every whatever period. You can set it up to sample all kinds of different lengths. This one goes down to 30 minutes. Everything else out there that I've found samples once per hour. And it's true, that's what the EPA says is a minimum. But we don't believe in doing minimum. We believe in higher standards. We believe in actually doing higher standards. So we spent more money to get this kind of detector. We've got these detectors. This is what we deploy. And now how do we test for radon? Well, I put this in your home, the home that you want tested, and I start it. And then we don't touch it for 48 hours. That's the minimum. Because generally, not always, but generally, as part of a radon testing is part of a real estate transaction, and there is a due diligence period, and I fully understand that, we can't really go much longer than 48 hours because we want to get the results back to you very, very quickly. So we test it for 48 hours, and then I pick up the machine, or my representative does, and then I get the report back to you that same day. Now, what needs to happen? Well, we need to have closed house conditions, which means windows and doors shut 12 hours before and all through the entire time of the test. You don't move the machine, you don't touch the machine, and then you get the results. If the machine is moved, it'll indicate to me on the report that it's been moved, and that pretty much invalidates the test. So it's best if we don't touch it or anything like that. I know where to put it according to EPA protocols. I understand all those things. I am fully aware of those things. I've passed the test that the EPA says I need to pass. So we're good to go. So I just thought I'd let you know quickly what machine we use. And so this is, by the way, this is the Sun Nuclear 1030. I encourage you to take a look at that. Let's see, 1030, is it? It's not on the front. Oh yeah, it's very small type. Very small type right there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but that's where it says 1030. So this is a Sun Nuclear radon monitor. And so anyway, I just thought I'd let you know how we do that and how professional and how seriously we take we take your safety concerning radon. Thanks. I hope to hear from you soon.